How to enable or disable show subject field in text messages on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and from the home screen tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on apps. Next we go down, then tap on messages. After that, go down and then go to the text messaging section and tap on show subject field. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that is how you can show or hide the subject field in text messages. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.